Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the parkour in the beam in the desert map. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, just keep jumping like this or like this. And try not to get in the water or else you might drown. Like that, you'll lose a life. Oh no. One life. Oh, phew. Okay guys, we have to do it again. And try going in a straight line. Okay, this is super hard. Oh, no. Yes, this might be. Is this the one? Guys, we were so close. Okay. Just keep going in a straight line. That was a big mistake. And don't try to do double A and then jump. You should try doing AB and AB. Okay, no. Guys, no. Oh, when we get over there, I'm going to pause the video, so I'm going to test something, if it works. This is super hard. Yeah. Guys, this might be it. We did it, guys. Okay, I hope this video helped you, and please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.